Hey everyone. So, I hope Chicken Run 2 comes out this year. It's finally 2023. So, it's called Chicken Run Dawn of the Nugget. And I guess Mel Gibson is not going to be in it. But someone that played Flynn Rider, Zachary Levi, he's going to be Rocky the Rooster. And there's going to be a new voice actor of Ginger. Don't know who it is, but I know the old actor who played her was Julia Sawala. But the rest of the rest of the old cast crew is going to be in it. Oh my gosh, Rocky and Ginger are going to have a daughter in that movie. This cute girl, the British actress, I'm going to be so happy for her. I hope Chicken Run 2 shows up sometime soon. I've never seen the new animation or the new trailer yet. Hope it comes around for my birthday. I'm hoping to be so excited. Maybe we could have the DVD. Or go to the movie theaters and see it. It's going to be so much fun. And hope they make more Aardman movies by Wallace and Gromit and stuff. Man, they should make more Wallace and Gromit movies. More Aardman, I love it. The British Aardman animation ever, I love it. Just like so many DreamWorks animations in 2000 and the 1990s. The Prince of Egypt, Joseph King of Dreams, Spirit, The Road to El Dorado, Ants, Shrek. So many classic DreamWorks movies I like. And Casper's Haunted Christmas, Galaxy Quest, Land Before Time 7. All time. I always loved those sequels. Old classic DreamWorks. Well, that's all I have for now, so click subscribe and add a comment. Let this movie, let it be good.